Sorry about that, folks. I am on the Ferris wheel. I don't know if it's James Danters, I don't know. It's raining again, folks. We've had a bit of rain down here, but it is raining again. But it's okay. Oh, fuck's sake, here we go, come on. Here we go. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, wow. It's been a really decent fair. So yeah, it's been decent down here. Get down here. Forward facing time now. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, I love this one. Whee! Sorry about the rain, folks. You know me, it don't bother me. I love this ride. Oh, this raid is getting a bit naughty. Oh, wow. This rain is getting a bit heavy, but it's okay. Don't bother me, the rain, you know that, folks. I love this ride. It's nice to get down to do a James Danters and Sons Funfair. I love this. It's so smooth. It's not extreme, it's smooth. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Right. I'll be getting off soon. That ride is always good to me, and that's why I enjoy it. I've got last 3 rides to do, and then that's it. And then I'll just continue riding now until the end of the fair. Thank you very much. Good ride as always. Bye for now. Bye.